Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It is time for another Perfume Diaries video. Today I'm going to be sharing my August perfume tray update. So these are the fragrances that I have been wearing for the month of August, fragrances that I have been enjoying, and I'm going to be giving you guys an update on all of those fragrances. So if you're interested in the fragrances that I have been wearing and loving, just keep on watching. Guys, so today we are bringing in the fall vibes. I put on some brown kind of like cat eye nails from Glam that are perfect for fall. I am going to place another order for these because they came out with the cutest Halloween and fall inspired nails, so I am loving it. I am a seasonal girl, so I'm gonna be getting into my dark cat eyes, dark lip. I love having fun with makeup during the season, so I was just very inspired today to change my blush color, my lips, and just get it a little bit moody and fall vibes. So I'm very excited. I did film short content for this look, so that will be up soon. So let's go ahead and let's get into these perfumes. I do not have any declutters from the tray, so these have all been great for me. So I'm going to work my way up from kind of like the one that I was using the least to the ones that I was using the most. I love all of these, so I don't think it's like a ranking, but I'm going to start off with Ellis Brooklyn Guava Granita. So this one was on my tray again this month. This one is such a creamy, like tonic, fruity. It's literally like a bowl of fruits. I'm also getting something very strong now. I don't know if it's that guava banana note. Yeah, the banana's really coming through. I feel like the fruits are getting thicker in this one for sure. I only reached for this one twice though, because the heat here is killing the fragrances for me. So even if I'm in love with a fragrance, the dry heat is not the same as the humid heat. When I used to wear perfumes in Florida, yeah, perfumes usually don't last that long on me, but here it's like I spray it on my skin and it's already evaporated off of my skin. So I don't just want to spray this one and waste it. So I don't know, because summer here is extremely hot. I will say longevity has not gotten better. It's still one that I will spray here and in an hour or two I can't really smell it. But I am going through that with a lot of my fragrances right now, so I'm getting used to the change. But this is just a very beautiful, tropical, juicy vacation in a bottle type of scent. It is very exotic. The fruits are very creamy and rich in here, and it's just like a very colorful and vibrant type of perfume. Definitely does not go with the vibes that I am giving today. Yeah, this one is just like a perfect summer scent. I can't really get into too much detail about this one because I didn't wear it that much, so it's not like anything is standing out to me right now. I still feel the same way about it. I love it. The guava is in there, but there's so many fruits mixed that I wouldn't consider this a strict guava perfume. It's more of like a tropical fruit exotic type of perfume. So nice, but definitely on the tropical side. Next up, I have been reaching for this one quite a bit. This is the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. This one's such a girly scent. It's a little floral, it's refreshing, it's cooling. This is those types of fragrances where it literally feels like ice water on you. Instead of giving like that warm feeling that other fragrances give, this is going to give you like a rush of cool, beautiful, floral, feminine vibes. It's so refreshing. It's perfect for hot weather. So good. This one is the Absolute version, which is a little bit, to me, just a little less sharp than the original. I love the original. I think I love the original even more than I love this one. There's something about the original that I just cannot resist. And I'm going to try and find a sample here because the original one gave me headaches. But now that I'm here and fragrances just kind of disappear on me, I feel like the ones that are a little bit stronger work better for me because I can actually smell them and they don't give me headaches. So I want to try a sample of the original one of this one because I've always felt like that is the ultimate shopping day, girly trip to the mall, to Sephora, to Bath and Body Works, that type of day where you go get your nails done. It's like a very relaxing girly day. This perfume is kind of like what represents that in my opinion. Yeah, I want to try the original one, but I've really been loving it. I've been reaching for it a lot. Love this for hot weather, and this does last on me better than the previous perfume. Next up, we have Parfums. Next up, we have Parfums de Marly, and this is Delina La Rose. This is one of my favorite Perfumes. This is so feminine, so beautiful. She is super refreshing and I love her so, so much. She has a little bit of like a powdery side to her as well. There's also some aquatic freshness in here, and it's just, think of all the pink girly flowers. It's just very girly. Reminds me a little bit of Chloe perfume, which I just talked about in a video. This is kind of similar vibes, very feminine. If you don't enjoy the original Delina because that one feels very spicy and warm, then this one is the best option for you. It still has that beautiful rose that the Delina has, but it is softened up with some aquatic notes. It feels more refreshing. It feels better for hot weather. So if you live somewhere in hot weather, this fragrance is so beautiful and the performance is great. This one actually does last on me. It sticks to my clothing and I would repurchase this when I am done with it. I don't wear it a lot because I know that this is a very pricey scent, but this is so beautiful. It's one of my favorite perfumes. I don't have no complaints about this fragrance. Up next, I have been reaching for Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit a lot. This is another one that's perfect for hot weather. It is a tropical pool day, beach day type of scent, very easygoing, something that you can wear with your bathing suit, something that you can wear on a casual day, jeans and a t-shirt. It's citrusy, it's sweet, it's fruity. There's even like a little bit of a powdery scent in here. It's a very unique scent as well. This one is just perfect for vacation. If you have another vacation to take before summer is over, I would recommend Sunfruit. It's just so bright and happy. I love it so, so much. And this is one that I was reaching for a lot. So the following ones were ones that I just couldn't put down. So Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit is a favorite this summer. And this one lasts a little bit longer on me than Guava Granita. Yeah, this one is a little bit better for longevity, but it's still not going to be a super long lasting perfume because these are more light tropical scents. So you have to keep that in mind. But so refreshing. It's beautiful for casual days, for every day. Love it so much. And now these three I just couldn't stop reaching for. So up next we have Juliette has a Gun Pear Ink. I have been wearing this one so much. The dent is pretty huge. I have the same problem with this one. This is such a beautiful fragrance. This can be like a favorite for life type of scent, but I do give it a side eye when it comes to longevity. I don't know if I go nose blind to it, but I don't smell it as much on myself, even though I do get compliments. It's kind of like Juliette has a gun, not a perfume, but this one has that juicy pear in it. So if you felt like not a perfume is just too simple for you, or you want a little bit more from not a perfume, try Pear Ink. This one is gorgeous. I recommend this one for teenagers, but even a grown woman will love this because it does have a very soft ambery base. So I'm not a fan of strong amber, but the way that it's done in here, it just helps so that the pear doesn't feel super juvenile, but you're still getting that juiciness and sweet vibe from the pear, along with musk and second skin and all of that goodness from not a perfume, just with a little more fruitiness to it. So this is one that I love, and I literally spray this whenever I go to the bathroom. If I have it in my bathroom, I just spray myself all throughout the day. Up next we have another Juliette has a gun perfume, and this one is not a perfume, Superdose. I honestly think that I prefer Superdose. I can smell Superdose on me personally stronger than not a perfume. So not a perfume is one of my favorite perfumes. I really love it. It's so easygoing. You can wear it anywhere. It's like white t-shirt and jeans. That's what not a perfume makes me think of, but it's also really beautiful in hot weather, and this one is beautiful as well. This one just develops a little bit more woody on my skin, but I still get that sweetness that I get from not a perfume once it mixes with my skin, and that's where I fall in love with this one. Every single time that I wear this perfume, especially if I'm going to bed, the next day my bed smells like heaven. It is like this, it feels like sleeping with the one that you love, that scent of like you just want to hug them and love on them. That's kind of what not a perfume Superdose smells like to me, with a little bit of sweetness, and it just smells cozy, but in the most sheer, soft and musky way. It's not too thick, it's not too heavy. This is another one that I love so much, and I was reaching for a lot. And my number one, again, I feel like this was one of my favorite summer scents here in Arizona, because even though it is a coconut scent and even though it is perfect for summer, it actually sticks around and it actually creates a scent bubble. This is an affordable perfume. It's not expensive at all, and this is Le Monde Gourmand Lait de Coco. This right here is literally like if you were spraying on some sweet coconut milk. It's so yummy. It is like vanilla mixed with coconut. It's yummy. It's a little gourmand, but it's perfect for hot weather. It doesn't get cloying at all, and it just sticks onto my skin, and I love the way that this lasts on me. It will last hours and hours. I am just such a lover of this fragrance. I love coconut overall, but this one is just super milky and creamy, and again, the scent bubble that it creates, it's like if you have like the most moisturized skin ever, like you put on some body butter, you have oil on your skin, and she smells like coconut. That's what this is. It gives like this very rich moisturized feel along with some coconut, along with some vanilla, but somehow during summer it smelled irresistible and it was not too much. So this one worked perfect here for me, and I didn't reach for it so much back in Kentucky, but here I just can't seem to put it down. This was my favorite for these past 2 weeks in August. So that brings me to the end of today's video. I am so sorry if this feels like I am rushing. It's because I am. I started filming and I didn't realize that my mic is about to die and I don't have any extra batteries anywhere in the house, of course. So I at least want to get one video filmed before I go get my girls from school. So yeah, I appreciate you being here with me in this quicker, shorter video. I will get that sorted out so that I can get back to filming in peace. But for now, I think this is going to be the only video that I can get done today, unfortunately. I appreciate you guys so much. I cannot wait to get started with September's perfume tray. I already picked out the perfumes and there are some florals in there. I'm also gonna bring in a tiny bit of gourmand, but like my more lighter gourmand, because I know it's still hot here, but I can still wear fall scents in my home with the AC blasting. So, but I'm gonna get started working on that this weekend so that we can have that up. So yeah, very excited for September and for fall season to begin. I'm ready. I feel like I had enough of summer. I get over summer pretty quickly and I'm just ready for new vibes, fall vibes, and all of that. So with that said, that's going to be it for me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic.